Okay, so I'm going to talk to you today about the difference between global and local variables. What I've got loaded up is the books class, or when we were looking at records, remembering that Java doesn't have records, it uses a class. So we created a books class and we were creating books in it. Now, without knowing it, you were actually using local and global variables then. So, first thing to talk about is these things here. So this is a method and it has a clear start point and end point. And within this method, we have some variables. So variables which are local to this are title in, author in, and year published in. These variables are only ever alive whilst this method is running. To prove it, if I typed title in down here equals, and then some sort of title, garage, Java doesn't know what I'm talking about. It can't find the symbol title in. That's because it is local to this method. And we'll look closer at methods when we talk more specifically about procedures and functions. So this is an example of a local variable. It's local only within this sense here. It's only alive whilst this is running. On the other hand, we have global variables. These have been declared at the very top of the program and are available throughout the whole program. So you can see here that I've used the global variable, and NetBeans does a nice job of highlighting that fact by putting it in green. So if I want to use a global variable in a method, I can. If I want to use it in my main, I can. Um, so a global variable is available to the whole program. If you try doing this in Java though, directly calling it, you would get an error from the main, because even though it can find it, you get an error of a non-static variable title cannot be referred to in a static context. Basically means you can't call it from the main. Um, so, but we can use it because it is global. So it is available to the whole program and we can use it in other methods. So difference between local and global. Local, only available to the function or procedure. I generally just call them methods. Um, Basically, the blocks of code within your class. Global, available to the whole program.